Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are hearing, good day to you. In this very short video, I will be explaining to you um, the type of statistics that we usually make use of in educational research, humanities, social science research, and so on, even in scientific research. The first one is the descriptive statistics. And this type of statistics provides simple summary about the sample and about the observations that have been made. While inferential statistics, on the other hand, is used to draw conclusions and make inferences after analyzing data collected in survey or even in experimental study, as it were. Now, I would love to go further by explaining the type of inferential statistics that we have. Now we have inferential statistics. There are a number of them. The first, descriptive statistics rather. The first one is the measure of central tendency, which is usually the mode, median, and mean. The second is the measure of variability, which is the range, quartile deviation, variance, and standard variation. The third is the measure of relative positions, which is the percentile, ranks, and standard score. We have measures of dispersion, which we also have measure of skewness. We have measure of relationship. Under that, we have the Spearman rule and Pearson uh, R. All these are the types of descriptive data that we actually have. So very quickly, I want to touch on the measure of central tendency. And within the scope of measure of central tendency, the mean is the most frequently used measure of central tendency and is generally considered the best measure of it. Although in some situations the median and the mode are preferred measure of central tendency. In particular, let's assume that we have the weight of five students, of five objects, and we want to determine the mean. One of them is 1 kilogram, the second is 2 kilogram, the third is 3 kilogram, the fourth is 4 kilogram, the fifth is 5 kilogram. What we have to do is to sum up the entire weight, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5, which is equals to 15, divided by the total number of objects available, which is 5. So the mean of the weight is equals to 7. Is equals to 3, 3.0. Another measure of central tendency is the median. Median is the preferred measure of central tendency when there are few extreme scores in the distribution of the data. Remember, a single outlier can have great effect on the mean. There are some missing undetermined values also. So when you have open distribution, you can use the median. Another one is the modal score. That means the one with the highest value in the in the in the distribution. So you are seeing in this video the types of statistics. The first one is descriptive, and we have explained what they do and